Hello Atomians, I have a question for you. Have you ever felt sore, stiff, or just wish there was an easy way to relieve your discomfort? I'm Andy from Atomy, Canada. And today, I want to share with you one of my absolute favorite products, the ethereal oil patch. This is something I never leave home without. For those of you who don't know, the ethereal oil patch is designed for cooling and soothing relief. And if there's anyone who knows about pain relief product, that would be me. Ever since I was a kid, I've been an expert, not by choice, but because I was consistently getting myself injured. Let me give you a few examples. I always sprained my ankles from basketball, hurt my knees from basketball, sprained my wrist from badminton, sometimes having sore elbows from golf, have sore thighs after snowboarding. And sometimes I have stiff necks and shoulders from sitting too long or playing video games. And trust me, the list goes on and on. Because of this, I've tried all kinds of pain relief products from different countries as well. Patches, creams, oils, you name it, I tried them all. So when Atomy first launched the ethereal oil patch, I was super excited to try it, especially after seeing that it contains so many powerful herbal ingredients. The moment I applied it, I felt the cooling effect almost instantly. And then I noticed something very unique, a tiny but consistent electric wave feeling. Now that was new. But here's what really impressed me the most. This thing worked fast. Anyone who has used pain relief patch before knows that one patch is rarely enough. But with this patch, I feel the differences after just one use. One time, I placed a patch on my left shoulder, and it made my right shoulder feel so much heavier in comparison. I actually had to put another patch on my right shoulder just to balance things out. I was so impressed that I decided to test this patch against my usual go-to patch. I applied 3 ethereal oil patch on my left arms all over and my usual patch on my right side. And let me tell you, I was freezing. As both patches start working, I actually could feel the differences. The ethereal oil patch gave me this electric wave sensation even stronger. And after a few hours, my left arm felt more relaxed than my right. That was the moment I know that this would be my only go-to patch from now on. And the more I used this, the more I discovered other great use for it. Now I'll show you what this patch looks like. The patch is about 10 by 15 centimeters, so you can use this as a full-size patch or cut it into small pieces depending on your needs. For example, when I have a headache, I'll cut it into tiny 1 centimeter square and place it on my temples. When I go hiking, I cut it into little pieces and stick them on me. I think it's because of this eucalyptus scent that it will keep the mosquitoes and fly away while also keeping me cool. Now I can go anywhere without this. So if you haven't tried this ethereal oil patch yet, you need to. I promise you, even just after one use, you will understand why I love this so much. This has been my personal experience with one of my favorite products. I'm Andy from Atomy, Canada, and thank you for listening.